Okay, this is a quick intro for 3 particular units. This is the S8PRO, the S6PRO, there is one, I couldn't find it, and also the ACME8. First one is the insane looking ACME8. Go ahead and see if I can get this thing to zoom properly. That is the lattice work. Just nuts. I did this yesterday on a live stream, but I can't possibly get this without doing a close-up. And you can see the end of where the lattice is. You can see that tube as it comes. So there's the base driver, and there's the beginning of the lattice right there. And then the end of it you can see right there, and it kind of swirls its way around. There's the other tubes, and comes to the top right there. So basically spins around the neck. So that graphic that they had on the net showing this thing kind of without the shell looks really dope, and it actually is what they do. Blows my mind. And there's the AC8. That's just nuts. Totally nuts. If I don't talk much, it's because as I look through this, this is the first time I've ever zoomed in on this thing. That's just, holy crap. Okay, that is the ACME8. Let me take that out. Put that to the side. Next one, I don't know which one it is. Take a look at its numbering on the side. Can I get a zoom? Come on. Come on. We just zoomed on lattice. You can't. Okay, S8P. This is the S8 Pro. And it says S8 Pro right there. And you can see the collection of BAs there. It's difficult to come after that lattice work right there. And it's got a kind of a... Oh, that's dope. These people know what they're doing. There's the fearless drivers right there. I love that, man. That sounds so good, and that you can look at that. Like that. And like that. So that's the S8 Pro. And the one that I didn't even know existed, and I thought was a miscommunication between me and somebody else. Let's see if I can get this thing to come in properly. And it says right there, S6PRO. And this is different because this doesn't have the name on the balanced armatures. Who cares? Nobody, I guess. I do, actually. But this might be... I actually have no idea about this. I was convinced that they were making a mistake when they were talking about this. And this is the... So these are the 3 that will be coming up. The S6 Pro, the S8 Pro, and then super sick, badass ACME8. So at 2 8BAs and a 6BA. And these are going to be what's coming up for me. If you're expecting some kind of a sound impression today, I'm sorry. I'm super slammed. It's a Friday in Japan, but this is a close-up formatted vid. These are the 3 that are coming up. And I will start with the S8 Pro because there are people that want to know the difference between the Pro and the Freedom. But they graph pretty close, so that'll be challenging, but I'm going to give it a shot. So that will be first, and then will be Freaky McNasty over here, and then the S6 Pro, which I didn't even know existed. And I'm out.
Shows live on stage with hoes yelling my name. To be precise, ripping mics is the light of my